What if one simple fruit could power an entire future of food, fashion, and sustainability? Modern agriculture technology is transforming how they are grown, making farms more productive, more efficient, and more climate smart than ever before.
It all starts with the soil. Farmers prepare the land carefully, improving drainage and instead of using random suckers, many farmers now plant high-quality tissue culture seedlings. These plants grow.
Water is everything for bananas, but wasting water is no longer an option. With drip irrigation and mulching, after planting, weed control and crop care become critical. Farmers remove weeds so they don't steal light and nutrients, and they cut off old leaves. But banana farms face serious threats from storms, floods, and shifting climate patterns.
New tools like geographic information systems and artificial intelligence are helping farmers fight back.
With real-time insights, farmers don't just work harder, they work smarter. They can make better decisions about when to water, when to harvest, and how to protect their crops.
When the bananas are just the right stage of maturity, the harvest begins. Workers carefully cut each.
In the processing plant, hundreds of kilograms of bananas are washed to remove dirt and bacteria. Changing here. Not every banana is sold as fresh fruit. In many factories, ripe bananas are peeled, sliced, and fried. Even after the fruit is harvested, the story is not over. The so-called waste, the banana stem and pseudostem.
Banana fiber can be spun into yarn and woven into fabrics for bags, mats, hats, and even those same fibers can even be transformed into handmade paper by turning leftover stems into paper products.
This shift from waste to resource doesn't just help the environment. It creates jobs, supports local.
Looking ahead, innovators are exploring robotic harvesters. From smart irrigation and AI-powered decisions to snacks, textiles, and paper, bananas are.
If you enjoyed discovering how bananas are powering the future of agriculture technology, thanks for watching and see you in the next